Okay, let's dig into this. You know that feeling, right? You find this absolutely gorgeous online furniture store, perfect style, but something feels, well, maybe too perfect.
Exactly.
Today we're doing a deep dive on a site that really hits that spot, Weave Origin Furniture. And the big question, looking at the review material, is, well, is it a scam or is it legit?
Right. And our job here is to sort of synthesize what we know from the review, balance that really appealing look and feel, the cozy vibe, against some pretty significant security questions. You, the listener, really need to understand how to weigh these things before making, a big purchase online.
Yeah, that tension is definitely there. The source says the site looks fantastic, professional even, but underneath, some warning lights are flashing. So let's start with the good stuff, the appeal, because that's why people are looking in the first place. What did the review highlight about the user experience?
Oh, it's beautifully designed, no question. The review mentions this really calm, cozy vibe. It draws you in. And the photos of the furniture look great, very attractive, really well presented. It creates an immediate sense of trust, visually speaking.
And it looks like a pretty big selection too, right? Not just a few niche items.
No, it's broad, very broad. The source lists living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, even outdoor pieces. It definitely gives the impression of a large, established company, at least on the surface.
Okay, but let's pivot to the cautions
Yeah.
because under that glossy surface, there are some red flags we need to talk about. What are the main ones?
Well, first, the site is apparently quite new. Now, new isn't automatically bad, but it means there's no long track record to check. But the really big one, the major flag, is that it uses a privately registered domain.
Okay, explain that for us. Why is a privately registered domain such a big deal when you're thinking about buying something expensive?
Well, look, it means the owner is actively hiding who they are. Legitimate businesses usually register with their real details, transparency, accountability, right? If you buy, say, a $2,000 sofa from a site where you literally cannot find out who owns it, well, what happens if they just vanish?
Right, there's no recourse, no one to hold accountable.
Exactly. It makes accountability basically impossible.
So not just a technical detail, it's fundamental. And connected to that, the source mentioned it scored poorly on some kind of scam detection scale.
Huh.
What does that low score really signal?
It essentially confirms the need for extreme caution. These tools look at things like who registered the site, how old it is, server locations, reported issues, lots of factors. A low score means the site shares characteristics often seen with, let's say, less than reputable operations. Doesn't prove it's a scam, but it's waving a big yellow flag, especially for expensive items.
Okay, so that leads to the practical question. If you still really like the furniture and you're tempted, what's the safest way to, test the waters with a site like this?
Right, it's all about damage control, really.
Yeah.
Risk mitigation. The review is clear. Start small. Don't go ordering your dream sectional right away.
Mm.
Maybe buy a cushion or a small side table, something inexpensive. Test the whole process first. See if it even arrives.
Good advice. And payment method must be key here.
Absolutely critical. Use something with strong buyer protection. That means a credit card or maybe PayPal. These give you a way to dispute the charge if things go wrong, if the item never shows up, or it's completely wrong. Definitely do not use a debit card or a wire transfer. You get zero protection that way.
Makes sense. And keeping records.
Yes, definitely. Keep copies of everything, your order confirmation, any emails you exchange with them, tracking info, document it all.
And then when the small test item actually gets delivered,
Your job's not over.
Mm.
Check it carefully. Is the quality what you expected? How was the delivery time? Was communication okay? That small purchase is basically your audit of whether you can trust them with something bigger.
so summing it up, the way to think about Weave Origin based on this review is, well, it's interesting to look at, maybe even explore, but you have to do it very, very carefully.
Precisely. Don't let the slick presentation override your basic safety checks. If a site looks amazing but hides who they are, that hidden part is probably the more important signal.
And here's a final thought, maybe something to chew on. You see this incredible effort put into the visuals, the website design, making it look absolutely premium. But then this fundamental lack of transparency with the domain registration, it really makes you wonder about trust signals in e-commerce today. How much should beautiful aesthetics actually count for when the basic accountability structures seem, well, a bit shaky? Something to think about next time you find that amazing deal online.